Hello friends, welcome to Shiksharthi. In this session, we shall be discussing how to write down the expanded notations of a number. Now while doing so, we would take a number to be a constant and we would write down all possible expanded notations of the same number. So let's start. Now the prerequisite for this session is you should have done our earlier session on the expanded notation, how to write down the expanded notation of a given number. You should have done the same. Okay, now I'm taking a number like 123. So let me see in how many ways can I write this number. Now when I say in how many ways can I write this number, I'm basically referring to how many hundreds, how many tens, how many units, etc. is what I'm talking about. But before I do this, let me write down, this is nothing by my hundreds placed digit is 1, my tens placed digit is 2 here, and the units placed digit here is 3. This is just for the sake of reference. Now can I write it as 100 plus a 20 plus a 3? Yes. At the same time, can I keep 100 as constant here? And then in that case, this place goes vacant and then I'm writing it as a 23. Next, can I put this place as a vacant? Now when I say this place, I am basically referring to the hundreds place. Can I put this place as a vacant place followed by, let's say, 120 plus 3, and then finally I'm writing it as a vacant place plus another vacant place plus 123. So in how many ways have I written the expanded notation of a given number? And in this case, the given number is 123. So there are 4 ways in which I have written the expanded notation of a given number. Now when I say 4 ways, I am basically referring to the first way, wherein it has 100s. I'm writing down the short forms: 100, 2 tens, and 3 units. So I'll repeat it for your convenience, and rather than using a word like and here, maybe what we can do is we can remove the word and we can simply use a comma here. So I said that H is for 100, T is for 10, U is for unit. Maybe we can write it down somewhere for further discussion. So I'm drawing a line here where H is nothing but 100, T is nothing but 10, and U symbolizes unit. So now the second way of writing the same here is, can I say it has 100s, followed by, does it have any tens here? No. So either I can write down 0 tens, or I can simply write it down as 23 units. Third possibility is we are saying 12 tens and 3 units. Fourth possibility is we are saying 123 units. So either I say 123 units or I call it as 123 units. They more or less symbolize the same as long as you know that the original number that you had taken is 123. Right? Let's take another example for this. So the other number that we have taken here is 1234, in which the units digit is 4, the tens digit is 3, the hundreds digit is 2, and the thousands digit is 1. So let's see in how many ways can we expand this number in terms of various expanded notations or forms of the given number. So can I write it as 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4? This is the very first way, and keeping one way as a constant here. For example, now I'll take it as a 1000 only, plus, now this place is vacant. In that case, this becomes 230 plus 4. So as of now, there is a single place which is vacant. So now let's say vacant, another vacant place followed by 234. So there are two places which are vacant. Is there any other way wherein we can write this, wherein two places are vacant? As of now, we have written one place as vacant, so we took the hundreds place as a vacant place. In that case, the hundreds placed digit had to be moved to the next place, which is this. So in the next case, we saw that two places have been made vacant. Naturally, the last place cannot be made vacant. So, but can we try out something else here? I mean, can we say a 1000 plus a 23 cannot come here, but then I can say plus a 200 plus a dash plus a 34. And what is the best way to figure out these things? The best way to figure out these things is, please make a place as vacant. Place, we have already discussed place value and face value. So vacant a place. So if I make only one place vacant, in that case there are two cases wherein we made one place vacant. In one of the cases we made the hundreds place vacant, and in the second case we made it as the tens place vacant. Okay, let's see how to take this further. So now going further, can I say the first place is vacant now, followed by a 1200, followed by a 30, followed by a 4. Let's say this is the basic way of writing it. Then vacant followed by a 1200 plus a vacant place plus a 34. Is there any other way in which we can write this? So maybe you get a hint from the first case. No, there is no other way in which you can write this. The last but not the least here, or let's say, the second last, vacant plus a vacant place plus 1230 plus a 4. Is there any other way in which this can be written? No. And the last case here is wherein a vacant place plus a vacant place plus a vacant place plus a 1234. How many cases have we got in total? 4. These are the 4 cases that we got. So these are the 4 cases that we got. Another 2 cases, 6. Another 1 case, 7. Another 1 case, 8. So maybe the more you practice, you will come to know what are the total number of ways in which a single number's various expanded notation or notations can be written. Finally, can I say that, now this was the first case, can I say this has 1000s Another perspective here is when I'm saying 1000s. So I need to understand that I'm talking about the thousands placed digit as 1. But when you're using a number like 1, you can avoid writing S. You can avoid. Okay. Even if you write, that will not be marked as incorrect. So 2 hundreds, 3 tens, and 4 units or 4 ones. The next case here is 1000s or 1000 followed by 23 tens followed by 4 units. Next we have again 1000 or 1000s followed by 234 units. Last you have 1000s, 200s and 34 units. You can complete this table, and which makes you practice also and understand it simultaneously. The more you practice, friends, please remember that the more you practice, the better you become in terms of accuracy, and if you practice accuracy every day, your speed improves.